This shouldn't be possible. Over 1,000 years ago, Viking sailors crossed thousands of miles of open ocean without a compass, maps, or even stars on cloudy nights. But recently, archaeologists uncovered a strange crystal hidden in a Viking shipwreck, one that defies modern logic. If it's what scientists think it is, it means the Vikings may have mastered a navigation system we still don't fully understand. What they found might just rewrite the history of exploration. The year is 986 AD. Viking longships sliced through icy waters, reaching as far west as modern-day Canada. But how? With no magnetic compass until centuries later and no astrolabe, how did these Norse explorers navigate the open sea with such deadly precision? The answer may lie in something called a sunstone. In 2013, researchers studying a Viking wreck near Alderney uncovered a calcite crystal. Not much to look at until they tested it. Turns out this crystal can polarize sunlight even through thick cloud cover or during twilight hours. In other words, it reveals the position of the sun even when it's invisible. The Vikings mentioned sunstones in ancient sagas, like the story of King Olaf. But until this discovery, historians dismissed it as legend. Now, it looks like they may have been using an early form of optical navigation, one that predates the magnetic compass by nearly 300 years. In a 2011 experiment, researchers recreated Viking sea voyages using sunstones alone. Result? They were able to estimate the sun's position with 98% accuracy, even in fog. Some scientists now believe Viking navigators might have combined sunstones with primitive shadow boards. Together, these tools could have allowed them to travel over 1,500 miles across the North Atlantic, all while staying on course. Think about that. Crystal-based navigation in the 10th century. No compasses, no GPS, just physics and myth. The truth? The Vikings likely cracked the code of light itself, using naturally occurring crystals to chart vast unknown seas. If this is true, then our understanding of medieval technology and human ingenuity is about to change forever. What other ancient tools have we ignored just because they sound too impossible to be real?